So today's tip is about terminology. There are 3 lights that you're going to generally use when lighting a subject. So the first light and the most common light is called a key light or a main light. It's the light that primarily hits your subject. So whether it be a window or a strobe or a light like this, you want that light to be flattering to your subject. More often than not, you want it to be big, soft, and preferably close to your subject. The second light, when you're getting fancy, is called a kicker. It's this light over here. It's also called a separation light or a hair light. It's usually behind the subject. It hits the shoulder, the head. Sometimes it's right over, just hitting the hair, but it separates from the background, lights the hair, and gives a little dimension or a kick. The third one, self-explanatory, is a background light. It should be over here. It's the blue one. It's hitting the background, not me. There's no spill coming onto me. There's no blue on me. And it gives you a nice, pretty background. Sometimes it's to give a little vignette. Sometimes it's just to lighten up the background. This time we're using it for color, but it's a background light. Stay tuned for more tips, and if you want to try out some of these techniques, come to our meetup, which is going to be February 26th.